Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Garage Door Mike, Innovative Door. Got a juicy one here today. Got an 18 by 12. We're swapping the head on the opener, and the horizontal tracks are getting swapped out to standard instead of overhead tracks because they don't make them no more. What they did here is, you see all the extra barring in the windows. They added probably about 200 pounds to this door, and going up and down, the opener was unable to carry the weight, so when you would hit the stop button, no matter where it would go, it would just come crashing down because they added all that extra weight. It also destroyed the track, and I'm going to show you that all in a minute. I'm going to see if these springs, the older springs, are in one of these vans here. No, they're not in this one. Probably in this one. So we got to do a little bit of converting and innovating, but we do that well over here. Here we go. Here's the old bad boys right there. There's the head unit. At one point in time, we rebuilt this head unit. You could see we put in these extra beefy bearings here and there, okay, because the regular opener, it puked. You can see the big pin we put in there, and this repair was strong. We did that probably about 2-3 years ago, probably 2019, and this opener lasted until then like no problem. You could see all the shavings from the old bearing right there. They're still on there. That's just toasted out, but we replaced it with a new thing there, and I'm going to show you the rest here. Hold on. There's the two new springs, higher wire size to carry the weight, and then we got the horizontal down off of there. There's the old one right there. And let's see if we take this over here. And I will show you the ripped horizontal right there. You can see it's just ripped. I was doing my bare hands, just ripped. So these are all coming down. You can see we triple hanged it because of this weight, all this weight on this door. This door is like super heavy. So we're gonna put these 406 wires up and go from there. New horizontals and verticals. Yeah, so that's what's going on here. Get some stuff here. You can see we're totally busy at the moment. Lots of stuff going on. Commercial work right now is just pouring in, but that's what we're gonna do here. We'll show you the after video. This is part one, so you've seen what we're up against. We'll show you part two, a more in-depth video for all your door needs. Commercial Resi, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Drop a comment, suggestion, a like, whatever you want. Thanks to all my subscribers. Without you, it don't happen. Yeah, we'll give you a part two, and you'll see the conversion of this. Well, I didn't even show you the head unit. Yeah, there's a new head unit, 5.0 technology. We'll show you that in the next video too. Obviously, you've seen the other head unit in the other van, so that's it for this video. We'll talk to you in a little while on the next one when it's all done. Till then, thank you, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.